In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the original version of Shot Crisis, and it was made by Shot. It's a challenge, all right? And I want you guys to take your time on this one. Do it as much as you can, as much as you want. Take a month, take a year, but just do not give up because it is a challenge, all right? You will feel like, okay, this is too much, but just do it little by little, all right? Also, if you feel like I'm helping you out, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up. And also, there are more versions. It's always good to learn the original and then you can watch the other version and make your own adjustments. Because I feel learning the original steps or original styles will always put you ahead because you really know how it's done. Yeah, so let's get started. If you don't know the lyrics to the song, that's okay, as long as you focus on the rhythm and the timing. Yes, so try to catch the rhythm and the timing. All right, so we start out with a whoa, and for me this is not a real whoa, it's just like an arm pull. So you have and boom, yeah, boom and boom. So 5, 6, 7, 8, boom and. So try to catch that boom and. We're going to do a clap. Clap and clap. Sometimes some people do this, clap and this. That's the easier way. Ka ka ka. Clap, touch, and like this. We're going to do this, clap and clap again. If it's hard for you to do that, then just do that. Yes? So you have 1, 2, 3. That's what we're going to focus on. So we have whoa and clap and clap. Whoa and clap, clap, 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 clap. One more time. So we have whoa and clap, clap, clap. Boom, boom. So you have 2 times punching with your fist. Boom, boom. So right, left. Boom, boom. Yes? So you have whoa and clap, 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 boom, boom. So as you notice, there's a bit of a timing in between some moves. So, but when it's fast, it's really fast. So you don't even notice it, but it's good to practice it like that so that you get the rhythm and then you speed that up. Yes? So 5, 6, 7, 8, whoa and clap, 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 and boom, boom, swerving on the, yeah? Whoa and clap, 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 and boom, boom, swerving on the. So the swerve goes to the left, to the right. Yes, sometimes he does right, like some people do right and left. You can decide for yourself later if you want to change it, like for example, like Charlie D'Amelio's version. Yes, so you swerving on, so you go left, right. Yes, swerving on, like you're going to swerve with your car. Yes, so you have whoa and clap, 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 and boom, boom, swerve. Yeah, boom, boom, swerve. Boom, boom, swerving. Boom, boom, swerving on. And the right one isn't that specific. It's more to the left, and then that right comes with it. Boom, boom, swerving on. Yeah, boom, boom, swerving on. Let's do that again. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and clap, 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 and boom, boom, swerving on. Yes, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ka, 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 and boom, boom, swerving on. Yeah, so you have boom and ka, 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 and boom, boom, swerving on the street. Yeah, so you have street, and then you're going to grab it. Yeah, street, grab. Street, grab. Street and grab. And then you're going to elbow out. Yes? So when you have swerving on the street, got you. And I think it says nervous, but that doesn't matter because you got swerving on the street, got you, boom. Yeah? Swerving on the street, got you, boom. Swerving on the street, got you, nervous, something like that. Yes? So swerving on the beat, got you, nervous. So let's do it again from the beginning slowly. So when we have boom, pa, pa, ka, and boom, boom, swerving on the street, got you nervous. Yeah, see, do you hear how certain things flow? Like when we have boom and cuckoo, ka and boom, boom, swerving on the street, got you, boom. So there's a rhythm to it that you need to keep. Yes, so let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa and ka, and boom, boom, swerving on the street, got you nervous. Yeah, so when you do this move, it's pretty much your fingers going from your pink in, yes, starting from your pink, yeah, and you pretty much grab, yeah. So you can also just grab it and pull it towards you because it's going to help you for your next move. So you pull and elbow out. Yes, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa and boom, boom, clap and boom, boom, swerving on the street, got you nervous. So when you have this, you're going to go front, left. So it's front, left, bam, bam. Yeah. So you've here, and then you're going to get like a boom, boom, ba, ba. So my bad. You have the elbow out, and then you pull here, ka, ka. So you have whoa and ka, 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 and boom, boom, swerving on the street, got you nervous in the deep, ba, bam. So you're going to elbow out, front, left, bam, bam. And for these type of moves, there isn't that much time. So when you pull here, boom, ba. So you're already here. You lean a little bit front, left, and your arms are here, and you're gonna go ba, ba. Yes? So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, do, do, ka, and boom, boom, swerving on the street, got you nervous in the da, da, ha, murder on the beat. So when you have murder, I just kind of make it extend a little bit because you have murder on the beat, murder on the beat, murder on the beat. And the DJs have like a headset on, and you hold your headset here, and you have your record label, and you just scratch it, bop, on the beat, like a old school record label. Yes? So when we have murder on the beat, murder on the beat. So make sure that timing is a little longer. Yes? So when we've had swerving on the street, got you nervous in the street, and now murder on the beat. Yes? So whoop ba ba, murder on the beat. Yes? Boom ba ba. And then there's going to be another whoa. Yes? So let's do that one more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom and do do ka, and boom boom, swerving on the street, got you nervous in the street, ba ba, and murder on the beat. So when we've had the pull here, aha, this pull here, ba ba, it's just going up and down. It's like it's just up and down. Yeah, boom. And then you have that murder on the beat. Yeah, so the way this is the way I do it. Like some just do this and then wait for that murder on the beat. Yeah, murder on the beat. So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom and do ka, and boom boom, swerving on the street, got you nervous in the street, ta ka, and do 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 bam. Yes, boom ka, boom. So after the here, there's going to be a roll. Yes. So when we've had the scratch, there's going to be a roll and another whoa. Yes. So when we've had, let's do it from swerving on the street, got you nervous in the street, pa pa, murder on the beat, and boom, ka, boom boom. So make sure to pay attention to the rhythm. All right. So when we've had murder on the beat, bam, whoa. So you roll to the front, and you have another whoa just like in the beginning, yeah? And bam, roll and bam, roll and bam, yeah? And there's a little bit of timing in between that. Roll and bam, roll and bam. And it's just like a full roll until you get into that. Yeah, roll and bam. And then we're going to hit down, boom, boom. And this time it could be tricky because it's like a ka, boom, boom. And then it's pretty fast. So we've had swerving on the street, got you nervous in the street, da da, and murder on the beat, ah, boom, ka, boom, boom. So when you've had ka, boom, boom, and there's like it's like a point. In this tutorial, he points to the front, but I see people do this, and he does that sometimes too. So there's no like direct point. If you want, you can do that, but I do this too. I just go like fast and pop, yeah? And ha, ah, ah. Ah, ha, ah, ah. Ah, ha, ah, ah. So it's like point up and pa. Up and, it's like you're hitting down, yeah? Up and pa. Ah, see. Yeah? Ah, see. Ah, see. And you can look with it if you want to. Ha, and see. Okay, so when we've had murder on the beat, ka, boom, ka, boom, boom, point and pa, see. Yes? So we have murder on the beat, ka, pa, ba, boom, boom, ka, and ha, and see. Yeah, let's do that slow. So we have murder on the beat, ah, boom, ka, boom, boom, ha, and ha, and. Yes? So let's do it from the beginning slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and 2, 2, ka, and boom, boom, swerving on the street. Got you lurking on the street, ba, ba, murder on the beat, ah, boom, ka, boom, boom, ha, and see. Let's do that one more time, really slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and 2, 2, ka, and boom, boom, swerving on the street. Got you nervous in the street, aha, murder on the beat, and boom, ka, boom, boom, ha, and see. So when we've had see, you're going to get your hand down, yeah? See and boom. See, down, yeah? See, down, and you have this mop movement, yeah? See and mop it. See and here and pa, pa, pa. So it's pretty much here, here, sideways, up, yeah? So you have down, sideways, up. So you're here, down, sideways, up. So here, ka and pa, pa, pa. 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 And if you feel comfortable later, you can also add, like, definitely add more body to it. But it's so fast that it's really good to just understand the moves, all right? So when we have si, ka, and ha, ha, it's like you're having something that you're swinging. It's a swing, pull, yeah? Swing, pull, swing, pull, swing, pull. Yeah, so when you have si, ka, swing, pull. It's like you're pulling your seatbelt if you've been in a car. Man, I'm sweating. It's hot in here. All right, so when we've had si here, pa, 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 swing, pull, you're going to hit again, and it's like you're pulling something down. So you have hit, hit, pull, hit, hit, pull, hit, hit, pull, hit, hit, pull. Yes, and that pull has a little bit more timing. It's not hit, hit, pull, but it's like a hit, hit, pull, and then we're going to get another whoa. Yes? So when we've had, let's do it from si, boom, pa, pa, swing, pull, right arm, left arm here. And I've seen him also start with the left arm and the right arm, so don't even bother. Just start with the right, and you could just, if you want, start left, if that's fine for you. Let's do it from the beginning, very slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, and clap and boom, boom. Swerving on the street. Got you nervous in the street and you murder on the beat and boom. Ka, boom, boom. Ah and C. Ba and boom. Ba and here. Ha and hit and pull. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Do, do. Ka and boom, boom. Swerving on the street. Got you nervous in the street and ha. Murking on the beat and boom. Pa, boom, boom. Up and ah and C. Boom and chi, chi, ta and V. Pa and hit and pull. All right, so after the pull, there's going to be another whoa, clap and clap, just like the beginning. Yes, so you have whoa, ta, ta, ta. Well, we're going to call it the fake whoa. Yeah, but if you're capable of just hitting a real whoa, do that. Yeah, but the cheat way is like just pulling. Yeah, just to clarify that. So we have pull, clap, and clap. And this one, he turns his body more to the side because there's this punch. Boom, boom. Yes? So you have whoa and clap, 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 boom, boom. You can always decide to just do it to the front if you want to, but we're just going to do what he does. Yes? So you have whoa and clap, 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 boom, boom. Whoa and clap, 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 boom, boom. Whoa and clap, 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 boom, boom. Get the, and then I do peace signs. I just don't throw up my middle finger. So when you have boom, boom, you peace up if you want to. Elbow, elbow, and 2 elbows. And that's going to be the whole routine. Yes? So when we have whoa, clap, 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 boom, boom. Get the out of my way. Yes? So whoa, clap, 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 and boom, boom. Pace, pace, elbow, elbow, out. Yeah? Boom, my way. Out of 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 my way. Yes? When we have C, boom, here, here, swing, pull, hit, hit, here, whack, ka, 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 doom, doom, get the out of my way, yeah, get the F out of my way, get the F out of my way, yes? So, let's do it from the beginning, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and do, do, ka, and boom, boom, swerving on the street. Got you nervous in the street, aha, murder on the beat. Got and pa, pa, ti, and pa, boom, boom, ah, and C, pa, and pa, 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 and shoo, pa, and hit, and hit, and hit. A, ka, 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 boom, boom, get the F out of my way. All right? So you can repeat this as much as you want. We're going to do it with the music. I've added a little bit more a build up. So you start really slow and then go faster, a little bit faster until you got it. And you can repeat it as much as you want. So in the description, there's a link. You can click it and that brings you to the part where you can practice with the music. Yes? Make sure you drink some water and have some fun.